How to clear Instagram cache on iOS device. Well, it's a very easy and a quick process. So what you want to do is, first of all, move into the settings of a device. Once you are inside your settings, head over to General. Inside General, move into iPhone Stories. It will open up this page. In this page, scroll down and search for the application Instagram, and then head over to it. Two different options will be available to you. One is Offload App and the other is Delete App. So in order to clear the cache, what you want to do is simply tap on Offload App. After that, once again click on Offload App. Well, offloading the app means clearing the storage and the cache of the application. And clearing the cache means removing all of the unwanted bugs from the app. It will make your application run smoothly. And if you are facing any of the problem on Instagram, it will also make it work for you. And you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can clear cache on Instagram on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.